dignitaries, Nananom, chiefs, friends of the Commonwealth, we gather to mark a moment of historic significance. The official welcome reception for the 7th Secretary-General.
Let's make this a Commonwealth that delivers. 56 countries, 2.7 billion people, 1.6 billion of whom are under the age of 30. They are the game changers across the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in warmly welcoming the Honourable Shirley Botchwey, the Secretary-General of the Commonwealth. The number 7 is no ordinary number. Across cultures, faith, and philosophies, it represents completeness, divine purpose, and perfection.
I am so proud that, like me, she is of Ghanaian heritage, and just witnessing the strength of feeling around the room, I believe that there is a renewed hope in what the Commonwealth can deliver.
It's fantastic, man, to have now a leader from Ghana representing not only her country but all of the countries within the Commonwealth here in the UK is incredibly important, and for it to be a woman as well makes it even more powerful.
As a young female Ghanaian myself, seeing her take up this role just inspires me so much to also continue to push hard and work hard as well. So congratulations to her.
On behalf of the United Kingdom, I offer you my warmest congratulations and our pledge of our wholehearted and full-body support.
Commonwealth is a living promise of unity, of cooperation, of progress and sustainability. The Commonwealth is proof that we can overcome our past, that we can take the good while calling out the bad, that we can find unity in purpose, not identity, that we don't have to look east or west, south or north, just forward. And that is the journey we will take with humility, with unity, and with purpose. Let us rise to this moment. To all who live within our union, let us join together to make this truly a Commonwealth that delivers. Thank you.